welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee and I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this quick weave. I did this 30-minute quick weave using hair store bundles. Yes, ladies, hair store bundles, okay? $10 hair store bundles. I'm gonna get into all the details, I promise, okay? Make sure you continue watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. Come to my channel. And yeah, y'all, we're almost at 5K. Super excited. So y'all continue watching. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, ladies, so we're going to jump right into this video. So we're going to start with my old braids. I'm just going to be using my old braids that I had from my previous install. And I'm just going to be applying my Wonder Wrap and my black stocking cap, of course, on top. So here you see me taking the Wonder Wrap, and I'm going to just be putting that all over my head. Usually I would use a perm brush to spread this around, but I currently threw all of mine away. So I had to do the best I can with the comb, and y'all, this is not as easy as it looks. The Wonder Wrap is very thick when it comes out the bottle, so yeah, y'all, just be patient. Now I'm going to be taking my stocking cap, of course, and placing that all over my head, making sure all my hair is covered, and then I'm going to be placing that Wonder Wrap on top of this and spreading it just like how I did for my braids underneath. Then I'm just going to make sure that's all dry with a blow dryer. Now I'm just going to be taking my good old faithful spritz and just spraying that all over my head. Just adding some extra security to the cap, and then I'm just going to blow dry that dry. And now I'm just going to be doing my ball cap method for my lace closure that I'm about to apply. I'm not going to talk too much in between this right here. I have plenty of videos of me doing a ball cap method. Y'all let me know if you just want a detailed specific video for that. But yeah, go watch the previous videos and just keep watching. So here you'll see me measuring out my lace closure. I'm just taking a blue eyeliner pencil and just going to be marking out like the ends of each side of the lace closure. I do this because I don't like my bald method or my bald cap to go all the way across my head if I'm just using a lace closure or if I'm just going to do a lace closure. So therefore I measure it out. And just keep watching the video and you'll understand or see why. Now I'm just going to be cutting out all the places where I didn't apply the glue. Okay, here I am measuring the lace closure again, making sure I didn't cut off too much of the cap or that I did cut off enough of the cap. I'm going to be taking my even tinted lace spray and going to be spraying that all over my cap and my closure. Here I am previewing the hair, making sure that the color matches my skin and making sure that the hairline is plucked good enough before I put it on, and it looks good to me. So now I'm going to be applying the closure. First, I'm going to be gluing it on with the Even Red Can adhesive spray, and I'm just going to be doing 2 layers of that. Now, after applying my adhesive spray, I'm going to be applying the lace closure. I'm going to be stretching it as far as possible so it can lay as flat as possible. Now I'm just going to be taking my comb and I'm going to be pushing that in. Now I'm going to be applying my elastic band, of course, so it can melt into the skin, girl. While the elastic band is on, I'm going to be sewing down that lace closure. I always like to sew down my frontals or closures, even when I'm doing a quick weave, just because that is going to be the most that you mess with. So you want that part to be the most secure, if that makes sense. So I just go ahead and sew down my lace closures. That way I just feel more secure about me combing and brushing and plugging and, you know, all that good stuff. And after applying the closure, and yes, I forgot to mention, this is a human hair closure. I got this from my local beauty supply store for $25. And this is also the hair I'm going to be using, the Organique Master Mix bundles. I got one in the color 1, another one in the color 2, and another color, and I think it's a DT30 Honey. I think that's what it is. So yeah, those are going to be the 3 bundles that I'm using today. And here in this clip, you're going to see me measuring out my first bundle, and I'm going to be using the number 1 first. And the order I use is the number 1, and then I put 2 tracks of the DT30 Honey, and then I put my pack of 2, and then the last tracks of the DT30 Honey. The install process is super easy. All you're going to be doing is measuring the track to your head, cutting the track off the weft, putting the glue on the track, and then applying the track with the glue onto your head. And then just using some spritz and a blow dryer just to make sure using the spritz to make sure it's extra tacky, and the blow dryer just to, you know, dry it up. And you're just going to keep repeating those steps all the way up. Okay, now that I'm at the top, now I'm going to be taking my wax stick and applying this to the little hairs or flyaways that I have on this last track for some reason. And I'm just going to be taking my flat iron to apply some heat to that. Super, super easy and quick fix. Now I'm going to be trying to figure out where I want my part at. I was trying to figure out, did I want a super deep side part or did I just want a regular, you know, side part? And so this is what I'm doing here in this clip. Now I'm just going to be taking my wax stick and molding the hairs in the direction I want them to go. Now I'm just applying heat, of course. Once I got the hair in the direction I wanted to go in, now I'm going to be taking my hot comb just to lay those hairs flat. Once I got everything covered and flat and laid and you know what I'm saying, put together, now I'm going to be taking my tweezers and just plucking that hairline a little more, giving me a little bit more room. Now I'm just going to be cutting my lace off. Ladies, take your time. Cut your lace off in sections. It's super, super easier than cutting it from the beginning to end. Just cut it in sections. Now I'm just going to be taking my adhesive spray and going back over my lace, making sure everything is nice and glued down. Here I am applying my elastic band again, make sure everything is melted in. And also now I'm going to be parting out for the hairs for my baby hairs. Hey ladies, unfortunately I didn't get to finish the final touches on camera. My camera storage was full right after this clip, so this is as far as I got. But thank you ladies so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you send a friend to my channel. I will be dropping a video next week on this makeup look if you want to watch, so make sure you tune in for that and see you in the next video.
Get into me. Ah, good.